A Starling Bank overdraft provides eligible personal account holders with a flexible short-term borrowing safety net attached directly to their current account. When you apply for an overdraft through the Starling mobile app, the bank runs a credit check and assesses your financial profile to determine your eligibility, credit limit, and interest rate. Starling structures its arranged overdraft interest using 3 variable tiers based on your credit reference agency data: 15%, 25%, or 35% EAR. Interest is accrued daily on the exact amount you borrow and is charged monthly on a set billing date. One of the key features of the Starling overdraft is that the bank does not charge any additional monthly account fees or arrangement fees on top of the calculated interest. Managing your credit line is done directly within the app using an interactive limit slider. This tool allows you to manually adjust and cap your maximum available overdraft down to a smaller amount if you want to restrict your borrowing capacity. Starling also sends push notifications and alerts when your account balance gets low or if a scheduled payment is about to hit, giving you time to deposit funds and avoid dipping into the red. If you accidentally exceed your agreed limit or spend without an active overdraft in place, you enter an unarranged borrowing state. Starling does not charge any interest or extra fees on unarranged balances. However, going over your limit can cause payment transactions to be declined and may negatively impact your credit report over time. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.